Do you want to be able to fix Facebook professional mode option not showing? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this. But it is very important that you do watch this video until the very end, because if you don't, then maybe this will not work for you, just so you know. So the first step is going to be for us to come to our Facebook app, and then of course log into your Facebook account as well. So basically, as you can see, I'm currently on my Facebook app right here. So the first step in here will be for us to click on the three lines in the bottom right corner. But by the way, some of you might have these three lines in the top right corner instead, just so you know. So basically you can just click on it. So click on the three lines, because then we should be taken here, as you can see. Now I'm just going to scroll down in here until I can see where it says help and support. So click on help and support in here, because then you should get these options right here. As you can see, there's like 5 options in here. But in here, what we're going to do is to click on report a problem. And then once again, click on reports a problem. Then you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see, which is perfect. What I'm going to do now in here is to actually scroll down in here, click on profile in here, and then you should be taken to this page, which is perfect. So now you need to actually write exactly like this to the Facebook customer service. So I'm going to write exactly like this now to them. I am having issues with the I'm having issues with the professional mode not showing on my Facebook account. So basically you need to write exactly like this now to their support. I am having issues with the professional mode not showing on my Facebook account. Now click on send in the top right corner. So now you might wonder, what do you need to do after this? And that is a great question. What you need to do now is to wait like one day. It can take up to 3 days sometimes as well, just so you know, for the Facebook support to be able to see this. And then basically, hopefully, this problem will be solved for you. So let me know in the comments below maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And I wish you the best day.